Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Crypto with Jacob bringing you another daily update on DappRadar. So a lot has happened within these past 24 hours. Bitcoin actually started going to the upside and is currently below the resistance level of 42,000. If we could take a look here at the chart, as you can see, it's kind of struggling to push above the 42,000 mark, which has been previous support and resistance. If we go on the daily, you can see that 42,000 here was resistance. It was resistance here as well. Resistance, it was support back in December 4th, and today it's still hitting at a resistance mark. And because Bitcoin has been currently on this small little uptrend, it has been pushing all the other tokens and coins to higher daily percentage gains as we can compare with DappRadar. So let's go ahead and take a look at the DappRadar chart. As you know, I like to figure out patterns, trying to find out what the price action would be like. So in my last video of DappRadar, I did mention that we were just about breaking this trend line and that we were on our way up to an uptrend. I did say that I did not see us going back to the 2-cent level. As long as we can maintain the 2.5-cent level and above, I think we are on our way to an upside. Now, how fast that upside is, it totally depends. As I had another observation that the Radar token is actually kind of following what Bitcoin is doing on a day-to-day basis, or mainly on a weekly basis. As I mentioned before, if you measure from the previous price action downtrend, from when it started all the way to where it ended, it was about 16 days. And you can see that again on this second decline going to about 15 to 16 days, which led us to break this trend line here. Now let's go look at the 4-hour chart. Now within these last couple of days, we have been respecting this support at the 0.022 level, and we've pretty much held it. Once we broke this trend line, this declining trend line, price did start spiking up. Again, this is the 4-hour chart. So let's go ahead and draw a Fibonacci retracement level from the bottom all the way to the top. And there's a couple of things that I noticed already. What we would like to see happen is for us to pass this resistance level. We currently retraced back to the 0.5 level. So what I would like to see is for us to go ahead and slowly surpass this resistance at the 0.75, where we will eventually get into contact with the 200 EMA. Now the objective would be for us to probably retrace a little bit and then shoot above the 200 EMA and use the 200 EMA as support. And that would essentially help us keep on moving forward. Now if this doesn't happen and we hit resistance here at the 0.275 level and we go down, that is not a good sign. I would say that we would probably keep on consolidating a little bit more before retesting this EMA and then shooting up more towards the first week of February. So that is my thoughts in regards to price action. Let's go ahead and look at CoinGecko to see where we're currently at the moment. We are getting close to 14 million in market cap with a trading volume of about 353,000. And what I did want to mention that kind of sort of affects the price action as well is the DappRadar store. They are currently offering free tokens for claiming, which is not available here in the United States, but available in other countries. And what I've been noticing is that once people go ahead and claim their airdrops, they typically like to go ahead and swap it for another token, which that affects the price action as well. But also DappRadar has an option for staking. And currently, if you stake your DappRadar tokens in this liquidity pool using SushiSwap, there's about $3.24 million stake. And if you stake your coins here, then you'll get an annual APR of 275% in return. So that's something that I found that was pretty cool. And with more and more people claiming airdrops, we would most likely keep seeing that consolidation on the pricing level. If there's not that much volume, there's going to be people getting these airdrop tokens and then swapping it for another coin. So now taking a look at social media, looking at their Twitter page, from the days that I did the last video, we were at about 150,000 followers, and then we were at about 152. Now currently we're almost at 154, so we are seeing more people bringing awareness to DappRadar, getting themselves involved. And I think, you know, DappRadar is doing a great job in regards to their marketing. Not only are they on Twitter, but they're also on YouTube. They're also very much on Facebook. So yeah, that's my current thoughts on DappRadar. I do feel that if Bitcoin will continue its run past the 42,000, I think that will help DappRadar's price go up, as DappRadar has been following Bitcoin's lead. And we can kind of confirm that by measuring these price drops from this day until where it dropped again is about 15 days. And then as well from when the price dropped here all the way to just about yesterday, it was about 15-16 days, which is pretty close to what DappRadar's cycle has been. So if you guys found this video valuable, please go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel to keep supporting. And let's grow this community together one by one. Until next time, peace.